Rich people who married someone significantly poorer. What surprised you about their previous way of life? 1. My significant other said, "Today I made rent," meaning today they had earned enough to pay the rent. I realized that this is a monthly accomplishment for someone with no fixed income or salary. 2. Sandwiches. When I made him a sandwich, I only put one thin slice of meat in it. He couldn't believe that was how I had sandwiches growing up. 3. My husband grew up in a family that was comfortable but on a strict budget, 6 kids and a mom on disability. My family had no budget. One day, we were at the grocery store, and he always insisted on walking up and down every aisle. I finally lost it because he was taking so long and asked him why he did it. He said, "Growing up, we could only spend $100 a week on groceries for all of us. I always had to put what I wanted back because we couldn't afford it. Now I can afford whatever I want, so I like to look at everything I could have." It took him 10 years to tell me this. I felt like a terrible person. 4. My experience is from the opposite perspective. I was the poor one. It absolutely floored me how my wife acts when something breaks, like a car, appliance, or clothes. As a child living